hello, vault-tec, there's a problem in the vault. Hey everybody, it's been a while. Yes, it's Vinz from Massive Damage, and it's been over 9 years really since I've actively put something on this channel. There was a hidden episode that I managed to find on my hard drive that I edited and put online, but apart from that, it's been pretty dry. Now, I've been doing some podcasts with Jeremy and James on Your Geek Fix, and I really like that because it's a very low bar way for me to get my thoughts out into the world and show people about some stuff. But it's going to be a bit more involved on this channel, so that I can actually show off some things that I like, show you the things that I bought, which is a lot actually, and show you some fun things that are geeky and fun. So yeah, this channel is going to be about more than just Game Boy reviews, more about Game Boy games. Game Boy still has a very, big part in my heart that I really appreciate, but it's going to be a lot more geeky stuff. Like, as you can see, it's going to be Fallout, some Ghostbusters, Back to the Future stuff, Lego, prop making, toy collecting, all that kind of stuff. I thought I'd just, use this channel instead of making a new one because it's been near and dear to me for a while, and we've been mentioning it on the podcast a lot. So I thought, well, why not just, reimagine it, as they tend to do with old IPs and franchises nowadays. So yeah, this is going to be my personal little place on YouTube, where if you're interested in more stuff about me or the stuff that I collect or the opinions or whatever, this is going to be the home for that. I'll do some Tales from the Vault kind of thing, where I will just grab stuff from my inventory, or from my vault, I should say, and just show you, which is going to be interesting. One of the things I want to share today is a pretty big one. So everybody knows about the new Fallout series that has come out recently, and Your Geek Fix involvement. Yeah, I have some Fallout swag in the bag I'll be showing in later videos, just as a one-off kind of thing. Like, I'm showing, okay, this is, for example, the Nuka-Cola bottle. Where did it come from? How did I get it? What do you think about it? Any tips and tricks? How can we make it cooler, perhaps? I don't know. The format is still up for discussion, so all your geek fixers, if you're watching and or listening, then feel free to leave a comment saying how I could, move this channel in a certain direction, or if there's something you'd like to see. If there's something specific that you would like me to cover, then let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do my best. Yeah, so one of the things I wanted to share, and bear with me because it's a big one, but it's also a very cool one. Just look at the right size of it. So if you ever wonder how Vinz pulling up 16 kilograms of German steels looks like, it's gonna be this. So this here is a bunker phone, or a vault phone, as you might see. Now, this receiver got stuck into the wires, but never mind. So yeah, this is from Germany, West Germany, I think. It's a bunker phone. It's made by Funke and Huster, Funke und Huster, I guess. And yeah, it's a explosive resistant phone. So we can go like, hello, vault-tec, there's a problem in the vault. Can you help fix it?
Thank you for calling Vault, your first choice in post-nuclear survival. We're sorry, but due to unexpectedly high call volume, all representatives are currently busy. Please stay on the line, and someone will be with you as soon as possible. There are callers in front of you. Estimated wait time. Thank you. Calling Vault. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah. No, it's gonna be interesting. So it's 16 kilos. It's massive steel. It's massive phone damage that I'm receiving right now. It's not receiving anything, unfortunately, because the wires are cut, of course. But yeah, it's big honking bell. I haven't opened it up yet. It's huge. It's heavy. It's rusty, but it's in great shape. It's so heavy. I'm not gonna hold it up for long, but yeah, I mean, so I don't think I have walls that support 16 kilograms of steel, but if something like Fallout ever happens, I know that I can at least make some phone calls and call the vault-tec number, just in case. Anyways, this is the start of the reimagining of the channel of Massive Damage, and I would really like to thank you for your time, your support, and most of all, keep on dealing massive damage. Phone damage.